And here's the image I created on theme 21. 21 glasses of milk. Originally, I wanted baby bottles, but hey, they were all gone. Not a single baby bottle in the home anymore. You may think that I would have taken 21 glasses. No, I decided to go with only 2. You'll see why 2. I light it with a softbox from the left, so that is a continuous light, 60 watt. Behind, I've set up a piece of white foam core that is lit from below with 2 LED bars. And that gives us the 2 glasses on a white table. If I go a little bit behind, you can see the angle of the camera. Camera is facing it. I'm using a 65mm lens. And let's see how that's going in Photoshop. In Photoshop, I usually like to work with non-destructive layers, but I made an exception here because given the size of the image, if I multiply my 50 megapixel image by 4, so that is about a 400 megapixel image. I just didn't want to deal with 21 layers. Just that image with the 5 layers, 4.5 layers it has, it's already 1 gig in size. So I merged all of the layers with different glasses together. So obviously I took 20 shots, right? 20 glasses plus in the last of these 2. And I want to talk a bit why I picked 2 glasses. So what's important here is you see this glass here, the rightmost, does not have, it's a bit darker here because that is reflection of the red wine. Whereas the glass on the left here, you can see that it is, let me zoom in a bit. You can see that, zoom in, here we go. You can see that this right area here is a reflection of the light that is reflected by the milk on the back. So remember the light source on the left, it's going to bounce against that glass and then brighten that side. Whereas if I look at this glass here, the red wine and the smaller glass here will not reflect much, which gives this glass here a little bit darker aspect on the right side. Let me zoom back into 100%, fit the screen. Okay, so that's my first layer where I squashed all of these together with the 20 other images. Then added, pretty simple actually, 1 layer below, 1 layer above. I did some little retouching, little dust specks. I think, where is it? Oh, no, this guy. Yeah, I think I retouched some of the areas between the glasses here. And then lastly, the red wine here. Hey, I didn't really want to waste red wine, so that was just red food coloring that I would use, and that was a little bit too bright. So I did a little adjustment layer here. You can see to bring the color of the red a little deeper. And that was with this slider here, right, where I can play with the brightness of only the reds in the image, and I still take care of masking this area out. Okay, pretty simple image for 21, and that would be it for this image. Thank you.